Brainy Quotes number 4. He who builds a masjid in the way of Allah, Allah will build a house for him in the paradise. Every child is a gift of Allah, and every child in the world, to me, is like my own child. The fundamental idea which defines a human being as a Muslim is the declaration of faith, that there is a Creator, whom we call Allah, in Arabic, and that the Creator is one and single. And we declare this faith by the declaration of faith, where we bear witness that there is no God but Allah. Seeing a man praying to Allah is enough for some people to think that he is a terrorist. But this is not true. Every hip-hop artist I have worked with has a respect for higher power, whether that's Allah, or any sort of higher being. They all have a humbleness. Allah is the Arabic term for God. Stand up for God, fight for God, work for God and do the right thing, and go the right way. Things will end up in your corner.
I see no difference between Islam and Islamism. Islam is defined as submission to the will of Allah, as it is described in the Quran. Islamism is just Islam in its most pure form.
Traditional Islam is a mixture of all obedience to Allah, and if that requires militancy, so be it. With faith and gratitude to Allah the Almighty, I declare that tomorrow, Thursday, May 1, 2014, will see the enforcement of Sharia law Phase 1, to be followed by the other phases.